really nice John Deere 310 Super K backhoe, 4-wheel drive, enclosed cab, air and heat. Got Extendahoe. Got a 24-inch bucket. Got auxiliary hydraulics for a hammer in the back, right there. Got pilot controls for the backhoe configuration. Looks like we got a rear quick disconnect on it as well. I think this machine has around 4,000 hours. Well, I really like these SK series. Got a lot of power to them. We're gonna get it in the wash bay and get it cleaned up and detailed out. Run it through the shop, scan it, make sure everything is good to go with it. But nice little backhoe. Here's your Extendahoe. You talk about a nice little backhoe. John Deere 310 Super K, 4,000 hours, 4-wheel drive, Extendahoe, auxiliary hydraulics for a hammer or a thumb, cab with air, heat, stereo, pilot controls. Tires are in great shape, all original machine. Hard to find them like this. Nice unit.